Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will have a look at what we are starting in this series. So the series stands for 10 days of DevOps. In this series, you will get a video on each of the below topics and consider it as an introductory series for DevOps. So you will understand each of these topics in detail, and once you watch all the topics, you will have a very good idea of the important terminologies in the DevOps world. So I hope you will understand a lot from this series. We will be starting with the basics of SDLC. Then we'll move to VM versus physical machines. Then we'll understand in detail what is cloud computing. That's a buzzword and you need to be very clear with cloud computing basics. Then we'll move to reverse proxy and forward proxy. Then we'll understand VPNs. Then the sixth video will be on how DevOps, SRE and platform engineering are different from each other. Then we'll understand about what are these pipelines or what is this CI/CD. Then we'll understand the Docker basics, and the last will go into the Kubernetes. So I am sure that once you watch all of these videos, you will have a very good idea about this DevOps terminologies. So you can start expecting the video from the next video from this one, and I hope you learn a lot. Thanks for watching this video.